And we're back, and you've been asking for him, so here's my 9-year-old son, Tinker Tubb. Leon, give him an intro over there to...
Yeah, most everybody's been with too much fighting. There's not enough singing going on. How many people have you ever seen a fighting while they were singing a song? Come on and sing, boys, sing, girls, sing me a happy song. Come on and sing, boys, sing, girls, this whole world will not last long. Yeah, most everybody's been a treating one another just for the personal gain. But that wouldn't happen if sisters and brothers would hold back their heads and sing. Come on and sing, boys, sing, girls, sing me a happy song. Come on and sing, boys, sing, girls, this whole world may not last long. Yeah, most everybody's been with too much talking and it just get